Day 4. Lost in the world of this collective dream, and as I wake, the darkness seems to follow me. I've absorbed all of the pain from the people all around me who were too scared to look inside, so they projected their fears right onto me, lost in the layers of the part that was designed so carefully. And as I peel away, I'm feeling all the shame, I'm feeling all the rain, I'm feeling all the pain, I'm feeling what's inside. There's nowhere left to hide.